Personal Capital or Robo-advisor for investing full review, feature strengths, weaknesses. Links to Personal Capital's services are in the description below. Personal Capital offers a hybrid robo-advisor with a unique combination of automated investment management and access to human financial advisors. It is designed for individuals who want a more comprehensive financial planning tool that integrates both investment management and wealth tracking in one platform. Whether you're just getting started with investing or you're managing a more complex portfolio, Personal Capital is tailored for people who want a holistic approach to their financial well-being. Features. Personal Capital provides a goal-based investment strategy, utilizing ETFs to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One of its key features is its free financial dashboard, which tracks all aspects of your finances, including assets, liabilities, and cash flow. This tool provides a complete financial picture, offering users insights into their spending, net worth, and retirement readiness. The Robo-advisor service is low cost, with management fees starting at 0.49% annually for portfolios under $1 million. The platform's tax optimization feature helps reduce tax liabilities through tax-efficient investing strategies, while its retirement planning tools ensure you're on track for future goals. For those needing more guidance, Personal Capital also offers access to certified financial advisors for personalized financial planning. Strengths. The biggest strength of Personal Capital is its combination of automation and human advisors. The ability to manage investments via an automated platform while also having access to expert financial advice is a major plus. The free financial dashboard is also a standout feature, providing a comprehensive view of your entire financial life. It's also a cost-effective option for those with portfolios under $1 million, offering low management fees for the level of service provided. Its tax optimization and retirement planning tools make it an excellent choice for long-term financial planning. Weaknesses. Personal Capital's robo-advisor service is not as fully automated as other platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront, and requires an initial $100,000 minimum investment for full access to its financial advisory services. Additionally, some users may find the platform's primary focus on wealthier individuals a bit limiting, especially if you're looking for a more budget-friendly or entry-level option. Final verdict. Personal Capital is perfect for those who want a comprehensive, hybrid approach to managing their finances, combining automated investing with the option to consult with financial professionals. Its robust tracking tools and tax-efficient investing make it a strong choice for individuals looking to build and manage long-term wealth. For more details, check the links in the description.